In this video, we will learn how to share Facebook post on Messenger story. So let's begin. So to share your Facebook post or any other Facebook post on Messenger story, the process is really easy and simple. So for that, first you need to have an active internet connection. Once you are connected with the internet, the process is really easy. So it is same for Android as well as iOS devices. So you don't need to worry if you are on Android. So for that, what you need to do is just go and open your Facebook app first. So here is the Facebook app. So if I want to share any of the posts like this one, what I would do is I would tap on share and here tap on share to your story. So this would appear. Now I can do my editing, whatever I want, like I can have location or tags or whatever I want. Once I have edited this story, just go and tap on next and here tap on share now. You can as well edit the who can see. So public can see, friends and connections, friends or customs or whatever. So once you have selected that, just go and click on share now. So this would be shared as your story. Now if I go up, so here you can see this is my story, and if I go in the messenger, so here is a messenger. So here you can see it says your story. If I tap on this, this is the story that I have shared just now. So hope it has helped you in sharing your story post, Facebook post on Instagram. It has helped you to share Facebook post on Messenger story. So hope it has helped you on Android as well as iOS devices. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.